transforming your messy, tangled garden watering routine into a seamless, hassle-free experience without wrestling with kinky hoses or manual winding. Usually means transitioning to an advanced, heavy-duty retractable reel system. The Giraffe Tools Retractable Garden Hose Reel, 1/2 inch HX 155-foot edition with auto rewind and 180-degree swivel bracket, redefines yard maintenance by combining generous reach, effortless retraction mechanics, and durable all-weather construction into a clean wall-mounted package. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its internal auto-rewind mechanism paired with a precise, any-length, locking system. Instead of struggling with traditional manual crank reels that tangle or wrestling with a heavy hose to get it back into place, this system locks securely at whatever exact footage you pull out and uses a controlled retraction system to wind the hose neatly back inside with a gentle tug. Performance and everyday versatility streamline lawn watering, car washing, pet bathing, and garden upkeep across large yards. Outfitted with a 155-foot heavy-duty hybrid hose, the unit covers expansive outdoor footprints effortlessly. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by a sturdy 180-degree swiveling wall bracket that lets the reel pivot smoothly to follow your path, a durable UV-resistant casing, and an included 7-pattern spray nozzle for everything from a gentle mist to a high-pressure jet stream. Things to consider before you buy. Because this is a large 155-foot heavy-duty retractable reel, the unit has some weight to it, so you will want to ensure you mount it securely into solid wood studs or masonry using appropriate heavy-duty hardware. Additionally, remember to drain the hose and store or protect the unit if you live in a freezing climate where winter temperatures drop below freezing. So who is this really for? This retractable hose reel is an absolute home run for homeowners with large lawns, avid gardeners, and car enthusiasts who want a tidy, kink-free watering solution that puts away itself in seconds. If you only have a tiny apartment balcony or a miniature patio container garden, a compact manual pot-style hose holder or a short pocket hose will better match your space. Is it worth the money? If you value an expansive 155-foot reach, a reliable auto-rewind system, any length locking convenience, a 180-degree swivel mount, and a clutter-free garage or yard, it is a premier, time-saving investment for your outdoor chores.